Have you ever Googled yourself and found personal information like your home address, phone number, or leaked content showing up? It's more common than you think, but the good news is you can take action to remove it. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to remove personal information from Google search results step by step. Make a clear list of personal data you want to remove. This could include home addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, financial information, private photos or leaked content. Document the exact URLs and take screenshots for your records. Google does not control the websites themselves. It only indexes them. If the source website is hosting harmful information, you'll need to contact the site owner or hosting provider directly first, whenever possible. If the content involves personal information that poses a risk, like doxing, financial fraud risk, or intimate images, you can submit a remove outdated content request or a personal information removal request directly to Google. You'll need to provide the URL of the page, screenshots for evidence, a clear explanation of why the information should be removed. If the leaked content includes your own copyrighted images, videos, or text, a DMCA takedown can help speed up removal and prevent future reposting. At Leak Content Removal, we specialize in removing personal information, suppressing harmful links, and protecting your online identity. We manage the complicated parts so you can focus on moving forward safely and confidently. Your personal information belongs to you, not the internet. If it's leaked, shared, or exposed without consent, don't wait. Take action, reclaim your privacy, and protect your future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Need urgent help removing personal info? Visit leakcontentremoval.com. We're here to help you stay safe and secure online.